What's up, broskies? My name's Ori, and I'm here to attempt to teach you the bare basics of Unity. Today, I'll be making a step-by-step 2D platformer and even implement extra content requested in the comment section below. You will have an end product like the one on screen after the second video. Before we start, let me announce a disclaimer. I only have 6 months of experience with both C# and the Unity game engine. I am still a beginner myself, but I have enough knowledge to help those who feel bombarded by the amount of bulk Unity has. Anyways, onto the tutorial. First, I'm going to assume you already have the Unity Hub application installed and know your way around making a project. I'm going to use version 2019.4.1981 version of Unity. I have a link below and create a new project. I'll set the template to 2D, the project name to 2D underscore platformer, and set the location to my E drive. The first thing I'll do is add a tile map in the hierarchy. Import a tile palette window. The sprites provided in the video will be linked in the description. I do not own these sprites. The rights to ownership belong to CTatz on opengameart.com. Hold shift left click. Oh, you gotta create a new tile palette first. I'll just call it new palette. Select folder. Import. Select folder. Cool. So the way I'll do it is, let's see here. Alright, so here's the problem. It's way too big for the tile map. What I would do is I would click on each one which have this arrow right here, meaning it is an import. It has an import setting like this. I would do control left click on each one with the arrow. An easy solution would be to look for the dimensions of the pixel art, which in this case is 208 by 208, and set the pixels per unit to 208. Apply. I'm gonna quickly create a simple platformer map at whatever speed I decide after editing the video. A quick tutorial on how to use a tile map. You would click the third tool, which is the, what's it called? The paintbrush. This would simply, as you hold left click, the tool would do this. Another tool I like to use is the fill box, which if you click here and you drag, it creates a box or rectangle. To erase this, you would click erase with active brush and just go over it like this. You could also do Control Z to undo, or Control Y to redo. And that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, please comment down below, or any suggestions that you want added into the game. Also do that. I'll catch you guys probably next week. Have a good one.